Welcome to One International Station Company for Software. Firstly, please log in to your account. Once you log in to your account, you will see all sections on the left side list. Let's check all of them one by one. First one is the main dashboard. In this dashboard, you will get total sales, total receivables, total payables, and bank and petty cash balance. Also, you can see client-wise sales chart, vendor-wise sales chart, and branch-wise sales chart. Now let's go to the Analytics dashboard. In this dashboard, you will see total income and net income charts. Apart from that, you will get sales charts for each service, like ticket sale, monthly wise, hotel sale, visa sale, transfer sale, etc. Now coming to sales, in sale invoices, there are different services categorized in each column, like ticket sale, hotel sale, visa sale, transfer sale, insurance sale, etc. In each type of service, you will get an invoice list containing options Edit, View, Print Invoice, Delete Invoice, and File option to attach invoice-related files. If you go to Edit Invoice, here you will find a list of tickets attached to this invoice. You can modify each ticket data and update changes made in ticket sale. And also, you have option to void ticket. From here, you can refund the ticket. While refunding, you can enter cancellation charges, service charges, and you can save the refund either as a new refund, or you can save it in the existing refund. You can view and delete a ticket inside invoice from here. Similarly, other services also have the same options like Edit, View, Print, and Delete Invoices. There are 4 types of print options in invoices: simple invoice, tax invoice, fare included in total amount, and fare included in total with tax invoice. In each type, you will get the passenger name, sector, fare amount, tax amount, net amount, and total invoice amount. You can print the invoice from here and download the invoice in Word and Excel. Create New Invoice is categorized in 3 panels: Customer Details, Ticket Details, and Payment Details. In Customer Details, you have to fill in sales staff, booking staff, invoice date, customer name, etc. In Ticket Details, you have to fill supplier, airline code, ticket number, ticket issue date, and other information as required. Here you can import data from Exchange Voucher. In Payment Details, you can fill in the fare amount, airline taxes, commission amount, service charge, discount, and other details. You can add VAT if applicable, like VAT inclusive, VAT exclusive, payable tax amount, receivable tax amount, then total payable, receivable, and profit will be calculated automatically. After saving the ticket, you will find ticket details downside of the panel. Here, you can filter invoices by date, invoice number, ticket number, and client name. Similarly, you can add hotel invoices. And if you are following the exchange order process, you can import data from the exchange order. So it will take all the information from the exchange order and the remaining information you can add and save the invoice. Similarly, you can generate visa invoices, transfer invoices, insurance invoices, and tour invoices. In Tour Invoice, you can find all kinds of services together. So if a customer booked a holiday package, you can add all services information related to the package in a single invoice. Let's generate an invoice for package sale, which includes ticket and hotel, etc. Here, you can add all information related to the passenger and payment details, then save the ticket. Once the ticket is saved, it will be listed below the panel in the ticket data table. Now, we will add hotel details in this section. Here, no need to add customer information again, because we already added it while saving ticket sale information. You just have to add hotel information here and save. Similarly, you can add visa, transfer, and insurance sale, etc. After saving the invoice from here, you can print invoice, which contains details about ticket sale and hotel sale together in one invoice. In the refunds list, you will get all refund details, including refund numbers. Let's go to Accounts section. In the Accounts section, we will find root accounts, head accounts, and subhead accounts. No need to change anything in these three categories. You can add new accounts in Add New Trans Accounts section. In Trans Accounts section, we have assets, liability, equity, revenue, and expenses. In each type, there are subcategories like current assets, fixed assets, etc. Here you can add cash in hand account, receivable accounts, bank accounts, etc. Similarly, you can add accounts under liability, equity, revenue, and expenses. All lists of generated ledger accounts will display in the accounts list. If you want to create a client account, which is also called receivable account, you can create it by adding new client. Now, coming to the vouchers section. This is the list of receipt vouchers. And you can edit, view, print, and delete vouchers from here. Let's create a receipt voucher. Fill in all information and click on the plus button. Then select branch. Select transaction account. In the invoice list, you have to add the invoice number for the invoice you are generating for this receipt. Then enter the amount and narration. Once all entries are completed, click on Save button. The newly generated receipt voucher will appear at the top of the list. You can print a voucher from here. Now let's go to Payment Vouchers. This is the Payment Vouchers list, and you have Edit, View, Print, and Delete options here. You can create a new voucher from here. Enter all mandatory details, same like receipt voucher and save voucher. This is the Journal Vouchers list. You can create a journal voucher from here. Here you can fill in all information. And here you have to add two transaction accounts. One for amount debit from which account, and second for amount credit to which account. Contra vouchers are used to create entry for transactions of cash in hand to a bank account. EXO vouchers are used to generate exchange orders of the supplier before creating an invoice. Later, you can use this exchange voucher to create an invoice. From here, you can add a new EXO voucher. Fill in the details, which are get from the supplier, and save the voucher. The next option is bank reconciliation. You can reconcile your bank transactions from here. This is the list of transactions which are not reconciled. You have to check transaction details like transdate, the client's name, and the amount to ensure they match with the bank statement. If it matches, you have to enter the transdate in the action column and click the button. Let's go to User Management. In the Users list, you can find a list of all users with their details. You can modify and delete users from here. If you want to create a new user, click on Create New User option. Then fill in all the required information and give access permissions, and save the user. Next, go to Settings. Here we have menu items. Then Roles. Here you can create a new role. In the Assign Roles option, you can assign menu permissions to users as per their role. To change permissions, click on the Edit option, and click on the left side menu item inside the selectable menu. It will move to the right side selected menu, then Update. Here you can see a list of airline GDS. You can add new GDS from the top. From the VAT menu, you can see the list of VAT details. Click on the Add VAT button to create a new VAT percentage. Enter VAT name and VAT rate percentage, and submit. Let's go to Business Accounts. Click on the Head Accounts list to change your agency details. From here, you can change the company name. Upload the logo, upload IATA logo, contact information, admin login details, and currency information. If you want to contact us for any inquiries, click on this icon, and you will find various options to reach us. This is the notification bar. Here you will get notifications about due invoices, departures and arrivals, etc. Let's go to the Reports section. Click on Reports to extract all types of report options. Click on Simple Sale Register, then enter the form date, to date, and select the branch. Click on Search button. This report will give you details about all sale entries in the selected date range, like ticket invoices, hotel invoices, visa invoices, transfer invoices, and insurance invoices. Also, it will give refund transactions in the given date range. Next, the Client Reports category-wise. Here you can select a single client to check the transaction for a client. This report will give you details about fare, taxes, receivable, payable, refund, and profit. In the Pending report, you can check invoices which are unpaid or partially paid. Enter the date range and select the customer to check pending invoices and other transaction details. Here you can find the debit amount, the credit amount, and the balance amount. This is the total credit amount, the total debit amount, and the total outstanding amount. In the Ledger Reports section, the ledger is to check. General ledger accounts accept suppliers. Select the date range and select the account to check all transactions. Here it will show opening balance, sales, credit notes, and voucher transactions. Finally, it will show total credit, total debit, and outstanding amount. From the ledger supplier, you can check all transaction details of each supplier. From the Financial Reports section, you can check the balance sheet, profit and loss, trial balance, etc. And from the Other Reports section, you can see Debtor Summary, Customer-wise, Sale and Profit, Creditor Summary, etc. It's all we have in this video. Please don't hesitate to contact us for more inquiries.